I've just done a pour. I'm looking at this and I've got this vase. It's got flat sides and I wondered what would happen. I had to add, I didn't have any paint in the middle, so I had to actually add a little bit in there. But I just wondered what would happen if I, it's not going to be easy because it's, there's an angle on it, but I wondered what would happen if I just try to gently roll that around. I don't know. I just wondered what would happen. Can you see that? Oh wow! Look at this side. I'm missing a little bit there. What do I do about that? Still dripping, of course, but gosh, some of it's nice. How did I do that? a bit muddy at the bottom. Hopefully those bits keep dripping. That bit at the side's really nice. Look at that. I'm missing a bit there, am I? I don't know what's going on there. It's a grey colour. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Take some of the grey. Oh, shake your hands. Maybe need a little bit more. Just make it drip. So it'll be nice with the black near the top, but of course it all drips down, doesn't it? Well, that'll be interesting to see what that looks like. I'm tempted to dip this bit of here again because it's pretty ugly. I like this and that there. Oh, look at that. Maybe it will keep dripping. I feel like I need to dip it more there. Or do I wait and see what happens? Where am I going to dip it though? I'm not going to get more mud. Yeah, that's not going to be any good, that bit. So I need to, from there to there maybe. No. Get that out of the way. Now. From there to there, there. There. Didn't quite go round far enough. I'm going to go this way. Wow, that is very cool. You see that? Oh my gosh. Huh? Just unique contrast. So that was just 3 colours. But I had 2 pearl mixes. The white were pearl and one of the blacks was pearl. And I mean, it was all on there. Mixture of everything, so. That's, oh my gosh, look at that side. Oh, look at that. Wow, I'm so happy. I think that's my favourite bit. Look at that. Wow.